Welcome to our cooking tutorial where we will be creating a delicious and easy-to-make pie crust recipe. In this tutorial, we will cover the ingredients and steps needed to make this classic baked dish. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need for this recipe. Ingredients: 2 1/2 cups 315 grams all-purpose flour spooned, and leveled 1 teaspoon salt, 6 tablespoons 85 grams unsalted butter, chilled and cubed to thirds cup 130 grams vegetable shortening, chilled 1/2 cup 120 milliliters ice-cold water. Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the steps for making the perfect pie crust. Step 1. Spoon and level the flour. Start by taking a measuring cup and pouring in 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Use a spoon to scoop and spread the flour evenly across the cup. Make sure to level the surface of the flour and remove any lumps. Step 2. Add salt. Next, add 1 teaspoon of salt to the flour mixture. Salt helps to bring out the flavor of the crust and gives it a better texture. Step 3. Add butter and shortening in a separate bowl. Melt the chilled unsalted butter over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add the vegetable shortening and mix well. This will help create a smooth and glossy crust. Step 4. Combine the wet ingredients. Pour the ice-cold water into the wet ingredients while continuously mixing them together. The goal is to create a smooth and well-combined dough. Make sure to mix until there are no dry spots in the dough. Step 5. Shape and roll the dough. Transfer the dough from the mixing bowl to a clean, floured surface. Use your hands to shape the dough into a disc. Roll the dough out on a floured surface until it is about 1/4 inch thick. Use a rolling pin or parchment paper to help shape the dough into the desired pie shape. Step 6. Prick the dough. Dust the top of the dough with more flour and use a fork to make small holes or poke the dough. This helps to allow steam to escape during baking and keeps the crust from burning. Step 7. Chill the pie crust. Place the chilled pie crust on a parchment-lined baking sheet and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes or until the crust is firm. And there you have it. Your homemade pie crust is ready to use. Now, you can experiment with different fillings and toppings to create your perfect pie. Enjoy!